All these friends will be hidden, and then boom! Benji wrote this, and NCT bought it.
Thank you guys so much! Cause we're the homies, yep.
So Sean and Faith left today, and right now I'm about to watch a Zoom meeting of Jen's pinning. She's officially, well, she's done with classes for her OT program. She still has a couple more months of internship that needs to do, but didactic classes she's officially done. So they're doing a virtual pinning ceremony where they get a pin, I guess, instead of a white coat or something else. So we're gonna be watching that.
Dobbin, Jennifer Kim.
Hello. My brother's gonna help pin me.
Hello. Woo!
How do I just put it? Thank you. Congrats, everyone.
She got pinned.
Good job, brother. Thank you for being here. Congrats, Jennifer.
Congrats.
Thank you.
I've never done a Zoom thing like this before. So today, or I guess tonight, we're going to surprise our friend Benji. You guys might have seen him in my previous vlogs or Instagram posts, but he's a good friend of ours. And we've been keeping it hush hush for a while, but if you guys haven't heard NCT's latest album, track number 2, Lemonade, was written and produced by Mr. Benji himself. So we're very proud of him. He doesn't know we're gonna surprise him, but we got some stuff planned for him. Look at what Caroline prepared for Benji.
Such a terrible photo.
Wow, I'm trying to write my own notes.
Oh really? Yeah. But
The whole gang's here.
Hey, look at my card, man.
Your card?
He's really nice. He's like very.
I want you to read this out loud.
Love you, bro.
No, start from the top.
Happy birthday? Wait, what? What? I follow Christian. This is my card to Benji.
Did you write happy birthday?
No, it's something even better.
See you tomorrow. Dude. Merry Christmas.
This all by yourself, Caroline?
I worked 3 hours yesterday.
3 hours?
Yeah.
Wow. Oh, there's the other vlogger.
Yo, you should do
The most poppin' vlogger of LA.
the hot question. Does size matter?
It does not matter.
For camera?
Yeah, like look at this right now.
Oh,
Does size
does
matter?
size matter?
Does it matter?
Put it down below in the comments.
You can't even get a good angle because we both have to like point at each other.
Is it just
We'll move the shoes now, and then we'll kind of disperse into like this way and this way, because when they come in, it'll be blocked by this wall.
Turn off all the lights like I'm watching a movie.
Okay, okay.
Oh, hey Benji. And then I'll wait until I get to.
Oh, hi Wen!
Our numbers are getting so big. We're thinking
Wow! Alright, this is the POV of Benji when he walks in. All these friends will be hidden, and then boom! There's the poster.
What's here? Someone.
I wonder what it is. Oh, yeah. And then literally,
I know.
I wore the right outfit for the day. I wore the right outfit. Yo,
Oh, I forgot to wear my.
cool. Thank you guys so much. We're going to BCD. Yeah, we're going to BCD.
Oh, I go.
It really does mean a lot. You guys know what I've been through in the past like 8 months, and like it's been quite a ride.
Wen's here too.
Oh yeah.
Wen's on the phone.
What? Hi. Yo, but like, oh my god, thank you guys so much. I did not know any of this was happening.
Duh.
Yeah,
That's so cool. There's lemons. There's actual lemons. I can't. Oh my god.
Wow, we got a lot of lemons.
Shot.
No, wait, no, please.
Do it.
Do it! Do it! Do it!
Oh my god.
Get it?
Benji's.
That's kind of.
Can I give everybody hugs now?
Look at us right now.
We're getting lit tonight.
It was, I know,
Celebratory
I didn't think anything
litty.
was gonna-
This is the song
Let's go,
Benji wrote. Benji wrote this, and NCT bought it.
Benji,
Oh,
come here and read everything out loud.
Pee pee poo poo gonchi. You're so talented. When okay. So proud of how far you've come and how hard you work for this, supporting you every step of the way. Yeah, what are you? Happy birthday! Merry Christmas, Benji. I hope Santa and his elves love lemonade as much as I do. You may have been naughty this year, but I'm so proud of you. This is just the beginning of the Taeha. My guy, right? Congrats, Benji. To know a soul like yours is a blessing to anyone who appreciates music. Joy and kindness is just the beginning. I know you too. So much, Benji. Robin, thank you. My dude, that's my fucking roomie. Yes, sir. Let's go.
ooh, that's solid. Hey, that gamer right hand though.
It's only gonna go up. Lemonade.
Wow.
My body's ready right now.
존나 맛있어. All this late night food.
Just like writing on
Oh shit.
Now it's lemonade. Lemonade.
Son, you fucking asshole.
We can do a little more upbeat if you want.
I got you. Yo, come through. We're gonna do one track. Wait, Yang, who do you like in R&B?
Did you bring this too from the...
was so hard.
Go!
These are so dry.
Damn.
Me and Christian are gonna school you about what to say on a beat. You know we keeping it like whiskey. I sip it up every day. And you know I never play. Cause you know we chillin', hey. Cause we with our homies. Yeah, we chill every day. In my drink I got some sippin' every day. But before I do that, no, I never play. Cause I got work so lonely, so lonely.
Hey,
Yeah.
we sit around playing board game.
Hey.
We ain't in it for the money or fame.
Nah.
Chillin' with the homies, with my best friends. I'm having so much fun. This ain't the end. I got celebration time, drink all night. Feels so right, cause the keyboard is so nice. I'm a Korean American English speaker. I'm bilingual. 한국말 영어 왜 이렇게 쉬워? This shit kinda hard. I'm crispy as a Pringle. What? This man wearing red and black. I don't know what I'm saying, but I should go back to my homies cause I'm
Let
the
me
best.
tell you what I'm wearing is a visual attack on your eyes and on the seat. Yeah, I'll be that prize. I know I got that will, I got that these, I got that fucking swag. But let me bring it back to the bed, cause we're so lonely. Everything we do so honey. But I gotta sing it one more time. No, one more time.
왜 이렇게 웃어요?
Lonely, we're so lonely. Yeah.
They laughing. I don't know.
Christian was going this way, and I was like right here, he was still going, and I was like, where are you going?
Yo, bro, that shit was so hard. Tap it up.
Dab it
Yeah,
up,
bro.
Yeah, that's good.
I didn't even run like that, bro.
I know you were highlighting, bro. What did you change to?
Old school freestyle beats.
Keep it running, keep it running, keep it running.
Oh, he went to the bathroom.
Put a hat on it.
Oh, oh, you know him so well. Oh my, this guy.
Mr. Krabs. I call this the Mr. Krabs.
Wait, this one's called Robin.
Oh my god!
Oh!
It's for me?
Topic Robin?
I got you. Okay. Yeah. Y'all heard of Robin S. John? No? Let me tell you about her. Yeah.
Why?
Hey. She live in a place called K-Town. She make people like to frown. Cause she says mean things, it hurts people's feelings. This is the kind of shit that we always dealing with. But it's okay because if you play with Robin Jung, you'll say she's a cool cat. And she got the vibes, and every now and then she can be alright.
Very tawdry, but I keep it going like I got a rat on my back and I keep it running cause it goes up and down and I just gotta wait. Oh shit, I forgot the topic. We're talking about Robin. I need a myopic, but yo, Robin Jung, yeah, she's cool and honestly, yo, she's smart. We're fools. but also we're the ones who freestyle. Cause honestly, we got that hot to freestyle. Like, what's up? I do it so clean, I do it so easy, I do it like the sunbeams. It's so natural, I'm a natural. But the way I put this shit, it's so desert.
And the song is called Rapping Why You Talking About Yourself. Come on boy, put that shit to rest. This ain't the real topic. I gotta come in, I gotta lock it in. We talking about a girl to the left. Come on, this ain't no pop quiz, it's a test. Get your game right, wrong way, my left. That's your left way. Fuck, I'll say the rest. I love ink on my left and right arm. I like it big and I kinda like it small. Anything as long as it lasts forever. Ain't no feeling ever fucking better. I love the black ink when it touched my skin. I wanna do this until I die. That's what's in. It might be trendy, it might be kinda cool, but I don't care, bro. I ain't really vibing about the mood. I just love art on my body. It's a fucking canvas. You already understood the rest. Yeah, it's no habit.
Take a needle, put it on your arm, and I promise you, you'll feel a little harm. But after a little session, you'll feel like you got art. It's a blessing. Let's call it tattoo, yeah. Call it tattoo, yeah. Call it tattoo, yeah. Yo, let me tell you what. There was something on my mind since I was under 25 and I didn't know what. And I was kinda lost, I was in a real dark space, could say I'm in a rut. But then I thought what I wanted to say, and I thought, and this drawing I made was something that I wanna just put on my body, put on my body.
We should do a freestyle about when. It's like a video message, we got like...
Oh yeah, send it to Wen.
They will do one line each. Hi Wen.
Hey, Wen.
Hope you're doing fine.
Lovely set.
With all of our friends.
Please don't bend. The awful things in the world.
There's a lot of awful shit.
And you're so young.
And so troubled.
Maybe a little dumb. Just kidding. That was fun.
Just like his thumb. It really bends. Like our friends.
Hey, Wen.
Oh, Wen. Bye, Wen.